This Carpenter Realtors property video is presented by Erica Duncan. Traditional heritage lake home perfectly situated on a DBL corner lot. Home has open concept that flows room to room. Kit updated with stainless steel appliances, gorgeous soft close Waypoint cabinetry, breakfast bar, and amp, separate dining room. Living room space is perfect for entertaining and amp, family room feed a cozy fireplace essential for relaxing. Second bedroom located on second level has 2 WICs and amp, ample space for large furniture pieces. MA bedroom can accommodate a king-size bed and amp, still have plenty of room for dressers, not to mention there is no shortage of space west / the large walk-in closet and amp, private MA bathroom. Oversized 2C garage has tons of space and amp, has the space of a 3-car. Large backyard is fully fenced and amp, has a big shed for added storage. New carpet, new HVAC 2022, roof 2017. For more information, review the details below or contact Erica Duncan at 317-445-5796.